To keep with the Thanksgiving theme, we've got a turkey on today's show. So let's jump over there and let me teach you how to draw a turkey. All right, here we go. We got our turkey here. Let's go ahead and put that together. Now, when we start off, it's gonna look a little funny. So what I want you to do is I want you to make a circle. Then come down and almost make it like you're making the wrapper to a lollipop. All right. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna make one of its wings. Come up. And then I'm gonna make the other one. Swoop around. Now we're gonna kind of connect to make the bottom part of the body. All right, so far so good. I'll adjust just a little bit so we can see the whole turkey. All right, so we've made the head, we've made the body. Now let's go to the feathers in the back. So we'll start off with kind of this big feather. Then we'll have another feather behind it. Alright. Make more and more. Just keep making these feathers back here. Careful not to go through our other lines. Make a few more over here. Alright, let's see. And let's go ahead and make the face. Make a little triangle nose. A little bit that hangs there. Then we'll make the eyes. This particular turkey and their eyes closed. And turkeys can actually see better than humans. There's you a fun fact. This little second color of a turkey feather. If you've ever been turkey hunting, you know that their feathers kind of blend into a couple of different colors. Just another little feather layer there on their wings. Now, let's give this turkey some legs so it can walk around. All right, now your turkey's done. Now it's up to you to decide what color you want to color that turkey. So you can color anything you want. You can have a neon pink turkey if you want. I'm gonna go ahead and color the feet first. Kind of put a little bit of yellow in there. And I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up a little bit while I color it. You go ahead and pick you a color. All right, again, you can sign it or you can add a whole Thanksgiving theme to it. All right, there's your turkey.